Imagine an airplane crashes in one of the most remote places on Earth. The aircraft is completely destroyed. The wings are torn apart. The engines are shattered. The cabin is almost unrecognizable. Yet investigators are looking for one thing above everything else: the black box. Ironically, it isn't black. And even more surprisingly, it doesn't record video. So why is this small orange box considered the most important piece of evidence after an air crash? How can it survive explosions, massive impacts, deep oceans, and intense fires? And how does it help investigators uncover exactly what happened during an aircraft's final moments? Today, we're opening one of aviation's greatest mysteries. First of all, it's not actually black. Despite the name, a black box isn't black at all. It's painted bright orange. Why? Because after an accident, investigators need to find it as quickly as possible. A bright orange color stands out far better among wreckage, forests, snow, or even underwater. Modern black boxes are impossible to miss. There are actually two black boxes. Commercial airplanes don't carry one black box. They carry two. The first is the Flight Data Recorder, or FDR. The second is the Cockpit Voice Recorder, or CVR. They tell investigators almost everything about a flight. One remembers what the aircraft was doing. The other remembers what the pilots were experiencing. The Flight Data Recorder. The Flight Data Recorder continuously collects information throughout the flight. Every second, hundreds of different measurements are recorded. Altitude, speed, engine performance, fuel flow, flap positions, landing gear status, control inputs, autopilot settings. Modern aircraft can record thousands of different parameters during a single flight. The Cockpit Voice Recorder. The second recorder focuses on sound. It records conversations between pilots, radio communications with air traffic control, warning alarms. Modern systems usually preserve the last 2 hours of cockpit audio. They exist only to help investigators understand what happened. Where are black boxes located? If airplanes usually crash nose first, why aren't black boxes installed in the cockpit? Because the cockpit often receives the most severe damage. Instead, they're installed near the tail section. Statistically, the rear of the aircraft has a better chance of surviving major accidents. This increases the likelihood that investigators will recover usable information. It's a small design decision, but one that has saved countless investigations. Built to survive almost anything. This is where black boxes become truly incredible. They're among the strongest pieces of equipment ever built. Each recorder is protected by multiple layers of insulation and reinforced metal. Before certification, manufacturers intentionally try to destroy them. They expose them to crushing forces, extreme impacts, intense fires, deep underwater pressure, and severe vibrations. A certified black box can survive temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius for extended periods. It can withstand enormous crash forces, and it can remain underwater for weeks while still protecting its data. Very few electronic devices on Earth are built to survive conditions this extreme. What happens after a crash? The search begins immediately. If the crash occurs on land, recovery teams carefully search the wreckage. If it happens over water, the operation becomes much more difficult. Fortunately, every black box includes an underwater locator beacon. When submerged, it automatically begins transmitting ultrasonic signals. These signals can be detected by specialized underwater equipment. The beacon continues transmitting for roughly 30 days. That gives investigators valuable time to locate the recorder before its battery runs out. Reading the data, finding the black box is only the beginning. Once recovered, it's transported to a specialized laboratory. Engineers carefully remove the memory modules. Using dedicated equipment, they download every recorded piece of information. Investigators then compare the data with radar records, weather reports, maintenance history, air traffic control recordings, and eyewitness accounts. They create a second-by-second timeline of the entire flight. Sometimes they even build computer simulations showing exactly how the aircraft moved. This process can take weeks or even months. Why investigations matter? Many people think accident investigations are about assigning blame. In reality, their primary goal is preventing future accidents. Every investigation asks one simple question: how can aviation become even safer? If investigators discover a mechanical weakness, manufacturers redesign the part. If procedures need improvement, airlines update pilot training. If software contributed, new updates are introduced. Every lesson learned makes future flights safer for millions of passengers. This is one reason aviation safety continues improving decade after decade. Will black boxes ever be replaced? As aircraft become smarter, some experts believe future airplanes may continuously transmit flight data to secure cloud servers using satellites. This would allow investigators to access critical information immediately after an accident. Others are developing deployable flight recorders that automatically separate from the aircraft before impact. These technologies are still evolving. For now, traditional black boxes remain the global standard because they're reliable, durable, and incredibly effective. The truth about black boxes: despite the dramatic name, the black box isn't mysterious at all. It's simply one of aviation's greatest safety tools. It quietly records every flight. Almost every landing ends without anyone ever thinking about it. But when something goes wrong, that small orange device becomes the voice of the airplane. It tells investigators exactly what happened, not to relive the tragedy, but to ensure it never happens again. Conclusion: the next time you board a flight, remember that hidden deep inside the aircraft are two remarkable devices working silently from takeoff to landing. They don't prevent accidents, but they help the aviation industry learn from every single one. And because of those lessons, flying today is safer than it has ever been in history. Sometimes, the most important technology on an airplane is the one passengers never even see. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating aviation stories and the incredible engineering behind modern flight, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment with the aviation topic you'd like us to explain next, and we'll see you in the next video.